In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to do on-page SEO and off-page SEO on your own. So we'll do it in 4 phases. First is the on-page SEO. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll add meta titles and description to our website. And the second thing we are gonna do is write articles with relevant keywords and keywords that are mostly searched in the segment that your website is in. And the third thing that we are going to do is we are going to submit this website to Google, and then we'll deal with off-page SEO, and that we'll do by creating backlinks. I'll explain all one by one from the next video onwards. So the first topic that we'll take up is meta titles and description. We'll do this by a tool called as Yoast SEO plugin. So I hope you're having a great learning curve, and again reminding you that please watch creating the website course before going ahead.